This right here is a 2009 Scion XB, second gen. Today what we're going to do is show you how to remove the front bumper. First thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this 10mm and this little screw right here. The 10mm, let's see, take that off first. And then this one right here, all it is like a turn screw. Let me see. So basically, all you have to do is stick it in, turn it just a little bit, and then once you turn it, it'll pull out. And then you just pull the whole thing out. Okay? Alright, same thing on the left side. Take the screw out, 10mm. Same thing with this this little screw. You just turn it straight and then pop it out. Power tool and just pull it out like that. That's all you gotta do. All right, guys. So now we're at the bottom of the bumper. They're going to be 8 10mm screws at the bottom of the bumper. Only the ones that have the paint are the ones that you need to take loose. So the bumper's paint is here. It goes all the way around to the other side. So it's 8 of those. Take all 8 of those loose. Just like this. And you're gonna go all the way around, and it's 8 of them. All right, guys, so on the top you got a 10mm here, then you have one over here, take all those out. All right, you're gonna take this push pin out right here, and then you got one on this side too. Take that out, and then on the top here you got to take this plastic piece off. So it's one right here, one right here, and take the rest of it out with a pair of pliers. All right. Okay. Now, in this black shield here, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 push pins that you have to take out of this to remove this. Okay. So just pull this out. All right, guys, so let's see. All right, you got to take out 2 right here, a 10mm here, and 1 right here. And then 1 right here. Alright, now this one right here is broken, so it'll just come directly off, but normally it's snapped in here at the bottom, but this one's broken. So alright, now once you have everything at the top, the sides, and the bottom are loose, what you're gonna do is go over here on the side right here, and you're gonna grab this bumper and lift it over like that, and you're gonna pull it just like that. All right, so over here on the other side, same way. You're gonna grab it in the corners, pull it off and then just pull it out of here. This one's actually broken, but it will pull out the same way we did on the other side. I'm gonna have to do this different because it's broken over here. There it is. All right, so we got the whole bumper off.